In our village, we had suffered a lot due to lack of safe water. People had to walk long distances to other sectors in search of clean water. Residents have been consuming unsafe water from nearby swamps which caused waterborne diseases.
I'm at the site of 200 borehole project of Chinese aid to Rwanda in Ngoma area of Eastern Province. The project is conducted by China Geoengineering Corporation. The 200 boreholes will provide water to the communities in 11 districts, and it will fully serve approximately 300 to 1,500 people per borehole with potable water in selected area.
This borehole will greatly meet our water needs and address the health and hygiene problems we faced in this village. There is no doubt that residents will use water to maintain hygiene in their homes, prepare meals on time, and children will no longer have to skip school because they went to fetch water.
这个区域的这个地质情况比较复杂，我们沉井的概率是比较低的，还有就是一个道路的交通道路的原因，会导致我们的设备进场比较困难。我们项目原定的计划的竣工时间是今年的11月底，导致我们项目现在的可能的竣工时间是在明年的3月份。